Okay, so question 1, we've got a utility company here, Aberdare Utilities, and they charge 18.9 pence for gas, 18.9 pence per unit, okay, of gas used. And then we've got Mrs. Taylor's gas readings then at the beginning and at the end of a 90-day period, okay. So we can see them here, those are the measurements, those are the values taken at the present reading and the previous reading. The bill will also include a fixed charge at a rate of £4.36. Remember with these gas and electricity bills, they always put this fixed charge in, or usually put it in, like a quarterly charge, sometimes it's called, or standing charge, and in this case it's £4.36 per 10 days. And then we've got VAT as well. So the first thing you need to do is work out how many units have been used. Okay, so units used will be 21743 take away 21512. Okay, so basically the present reading take away the previous, yeah, because they've used a certain amount of gas, so we need to see what has been used. So we've got 231 units that have been used. Now each unit costs 18.9 pence, as we stated up here. Okay, so if Mrs. Taylor's used 231 units, each of those units is 18.9 pence. So to work out the cost of the unit, we need to do 231 multiplied by the cost of it, which is 18.9 pence. So again, with my calculator, 231 times 18.9, and we get 4365.9. Now remember, this is in pence. Okay, that's so important to note that with regards to the question here. It's pence, isn't it? So we need to get all this in pounds, right? If you saw that on your bill, you wouldn't be too happy because it looks like it could be like £4,000, but it's in pence. So standard sort of format is to change that to pounds. Now because there's 100 pennies in a pound, we can just divide this by 100. Okay, so I got that there. So if I say ants divide by 100, and I get out then 43.659. Okay, so 43.659. Now of course, with money we have 2 decimal places, don't we? Okay, it's no good having 3 decimal places. We never see that when we see the price of things. So we need to chop off the 3rd decimal place there. Okay, and we're left with 2 there. But because this is a 9, we've got to round this up, remember, yeah? If this is 5 or more, we round this up, and this rounds up then to a 6. So this would be £43.66, okay? And then it says the bill will also include a fixed charge at a rate of £4.36 per 10 days. So basically, for every 10 days, there's this fixed charge. So the total fixed charge costs, if you think about it, 4.36, but that's for 10 days. Now, how many 10 days are there in a 90-day period? Well, there's going to be 9 lots of them, isn't it? 9 lots of 10 days. We need to times this by 9. So £4.36 times 9, and we get £39.24. Okay, so there's the fixed charge there. So the next thing, of course, then we need to add the cost of the units and add the fixed charge. Okay, so we get the total cost then. But remember, this is the total cost before we think about the tax. Okay, before VAT. So add these. So 43.66 plus £39.24, and that comes to £82. And that, you notice on my calculator, 82.9, well, that'll be £82.90, won't it? Okay, so we need to make sure we have 2 decimal places there. And then VAT, 5%. Well, 5%, don't forget, as a decimal, is 0.05. So we times that by £82.90. Okay, so again, I've got my ants there. So I could do ants times 0.05. And I get this, £4. And again, look, we've got this in terms of pounds, of course. Again, 3 decimal places, so we need to chop that off. And because that's a 5 there, okay, we're chopping that off. But because it's a 5, we've got to round this up, yeah? Remember, 5 or above, we round this up. So that becomes £4.15. All right? So we just need to add the VAT on, and then we've got our answer. So total cost will be £82.90 plus then the £4.15. So get my calculator again, £82.90 plus £4.15, and we get £87.05.